Hi, my name is Marian, and today we're going to do the mime rope step by step. Okay, so you're going to have your rope here. We're just going to pull it today. And you put your other hand like this. Now notice, I've got the shape of that rope. I'm not squishing it. I got the shape of that rope in my hand. I've got one hand across my body, not tight to my body, just across it. I've got the other hand out. You will notice that this hand is down, it's twisted down, because if you just kind of hold it like that, it makes it look like your rope has gone straight up. So you want it out. You want this straight out. You got to kind of twist it a little bit so that both ropes, one rope's going from here to here, that's going from here to there. We don't want two separate ropes going up, all right? So when you pull that rope, you pull and it remains equidistant between your two hands. It stays the same. Once I get right about here to my side, I stop. I let go right here in front, let go right here again. Now I'm in the same position I was in when I started. So it's pull, let go, hold, let go, hold, pull, let go, hold, let go, hold, pull, and pull, and pull. Good. Now, let go, hold, let go, hold. You got to start using real muscle to make it look good. So, use real muscle to pull it. Make it hurt, people. Make it hurt. There we go, and pull. And pull. Now, while you're pulling, you can also stop and look like you're pulling, but go nowhere, like you would if you were doing a tug of war. Trying, but it's not coming, and maybe you start getting pulled, and you can pull again harder. Remember to breathe, otherwise you sound like, okay? Don't do that. Always breathe. You don't want to collapse on the floor just because you're doing the rope, okay? Now, if you want to be pulled, just like that, I'm going to give my hands away, but I still am leaning back or looking like I'm pulling so that that rope doesn't go, okay, right? But what happens if as you pull, somebody jerks you? Okay? And you're pulling and somebody jerks you over. All right. So with that, let me do that one more time. Pull and it jerks. Now, the steps are, as you pull, it's first your hands go, your elbows start getting straighter, then it's your shoulders, and then it's your head. So let me slow that down. So it's hands, shoulders, head. We'll just do those three, but you got to remember that your elbows are going straight too. So it's hands, shoulders, head. Okay? One more time. Hands, shoulders, head. Hands, shoulders, head. But you gotta look like you're trying not to get pulled. So, rope, pull. Oh, try not to make noises while you're doing it, okay? And that is the mime rope. So go practice and have fun.